Hey, Toasty.
It's been a minute, guys. So I still be vlogging. It's just, y'all know, uploading it, editing it. Being a one-woman team for real, that be the difference of like having a team and doing it all on your own. But since we're growing, we're gonna be able to afford a little team to help so I can stay more consistent with these long form vlogs, because I actually do enjoy doing them. It's the first week of November and everything has been going great. Like, a lot of things that I prayed and wished for years ago have happened and has been happening. So this week, like, I have like 3 events to go to, which is crazy. So today we're headed to Finesse Studios, which is a nail studio in Detroit, Michigan. The best. If you like luxury, if you like exclusivity, private, you know, all the things. You don't want to just walk into a nail salon. It is appointment only, but all the ladies there that are artists doing nails and designing, baby, you won't be disappointed. It will set you apart. Okay, so y'all gonna call me today to do that. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, but on the 6th, I have a lash appointment. My nail girl gave me this lash girl, and her lashes are so cute, y'all. They be looking like anime, just so many different colors. So we're gonna be doing that, and then I get my hair done on the 7th for another event. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty active event, and I mean, a pretty active week. And I started getting shy because someone was looking at me, but yeah, come with me so we can have a pamper week, you know. All right, so I just got here, running late. Don't mind me. The sink in the island. Would you be able to do that?
Okay. He said.
What is that?
What was that? He said he was gonna put the plumbing in the island.
Well, we want to see if you could do it, like in this part.
Yeah, we could do it.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, but he said he didn't want to move it like this.
Oh, babe, you said you didn't want to move it.
You guys want to move the sink to the middle now?
Yeah.
You guys have the the cabinets and everything where we're gonna pick them up.
No, not yet.
I just so we could know how everything is gonna go.
So he needs to get the. Babe, you listen.
Yeah. So right now, what I'm gonna go do is everything's gonna stay the way it is. So the only thing that we're gonna move is the sink.
Yes. He said everything else gonna stay the way it is. The only thing we moving is the sink.
Okay.
No,
No, asking you. Asking us. He asking us.
I don't know. That's you there visiting a lot. So, is there anything you think need to be different? Refrigerator placements, like anything?
Refrigerator. Didn't you say it's gonna go on the back wall?
Just ask him what he think it look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that'll be because so you're gonna do the island here.
Yes.
We're gonna do the sink here.
Yes.
Dishwasher staying where is it at?
Yeah, but not that.
No. Dishwasher staying where is it at?
Not that.
Not that one. So dishwasher. So now right now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fix first the foundation here.
Okay.
That we need to do. Run water, run the sublines, and then run my drain.
Okay.
We need and then eliminate all of this.
Yes.
So that's what we're gonna do today is do that, and that's why I'm asking. So I put drywall everything already.
Oh, drywall. Okay. Yes.
Okay, I'm in the video too.
Yes. Look, always radio ready. But it's okay. We cut a lot of stuff out. So no pressure. No pressure.
we're keeping everything the way it is. Nomás me haces las drop boxes where the las is tied down. So that's what I'm saying. So I could go bring everything that we need, drywall, everything that needs to be drywall. Is this correct size?
Babe, the cutout of the wall, was that the correct size? Did you want it to do from the end of the wall, or you just wanted the cutout?
I need you to help me out here because I'm not here to see.
No, I know. I'm
So
just wondering if
because
you want it wider.
This is, yeah, I didn't want this like this power here. I could put it under your counter, like under here.
Okay.
So that's why this one it could be sideways here.
Okay.
This one as well. So I could probably
Extend
open it
it
up one
a
more
little.
foot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. That will work.
Probably like up to probably a couple more inches this way.
Okay. Yeah, that'll work.
Height is good too, or we go a little bit higher. Because this is basically I didn't want to go too low.
Okay.
This is more like the chest. So
will the smaller kids be able to sit there and eat?
Yeah, because then your chair is gonna be up to here. So
okay.
So it's just always
Okay. Okay, that looks fine. So he said extend it out a little bit more. I'll send you a picture, babe, what he's saying. But I think that would be good.
I trust you.
Okay.
This is gonna be our height.
Okay.
So all of them gonna be drywall.
Okay.
So that's gonna be. So our open is gonna be from here.
Alright, baby.
I was telling Roderick, I'm gonna put it.
What happened?
Where we at right now?
Yeah.
The outlet, you want it here or you want it here? I can put it here in the here, or it goes sideways.
Yeah.
But I put it
like
here
that.
or over here. More like that.
I'll say.
So it could be here.
Oh yeah, yeah, like that.
Or here in the middle.
No. That one can go here.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put him here. So this is like I was telling you, it's the right height for you. You wanna try it? Because if you sometimes you don't want that too low, and then you're gonna be because you're gonna.
And the chairs would be here.
Yeah.
This will be fine.
I want it to. It will be too
Higher. Oh, you need a ladder.
It won't be too high for you.
Yeah,
looks good.
On the top to support. And then we do the cabinets on top, cabinets and paint, because right now we could. He's gonna say drywall, tip and floor everything, and start looking for paint already, everything, so we couldn't
get it rolling.
Because look at what we did in half a day.
It feels so different already in here.
Look, you couldn't. Hey guys, what do you need?
Yep. I love it.
You see, you could probably put all your food
little
here
table.
and there. This is amazing. This is one of the.
I like that. Look at Rocky sitting over there.
Crazy. That's crazy.
I want this.
That's supposed to be expensive.
Stay with me where I don't.
That's not an alarm. That's not an alarm. That's for your heat thermostat.
I want that to wake me up.
Put it on the wall.
Another day, another Lowe's trip. We need a door, we need appliances once the kitchen is done, and flooring. So we're here yet again. Come on, CJ. Yeah. Put it back. Y'all need one away.
I need that.
Why?
Mama.
What do you need it for?
Mama, I need one of those.
You're not getting one.
I want one.
This thing would be ridiculous.
I want this.
No, put it down.
I want it.
Oh wow.
Why you not,
Look, it got a Grinch. Oh.
why you not buying toys for me?
What?
Why you not
don't need no toys. That's why.
Oh,
Look at the bluey.
I want one of those.
When we get a Christmas tree, you can get one. Look at the phone.
I want a phone.
No. Let's go. You got candy in your hand. You got a card in your hand. Come on. Let's go. Let's find Riel. Go, go, go. Where Riel? Go. There go Riel. Oh.
Hold on, no way. What? My grandma had these back in the day. You know, it was pretty ugly.
Alright, so we're looking for fridges. You know, it's November, Black Friday time, so the deals are out, and we're looking for a stove to go on our island.
Hello.
Hello. Ooh. Hi.
Hi.
What'd you say? A DJI. It's a camera. Recording. We do YouTube videos, so we're renovating our home and we're recording it.
It was a whirlpool. It was like a 24 depth.
24 depth?
Yeah, 24.5 or something like that.
That's a countertop depth one. Was it how much it was?
$9.99.
$9.99?
$9,000.
Okay. Side, right?
Right here.
That's a pretty good. It was a whirlpool.
Might be that one, right? Yep.
What'd you say you were trying to figure out?
If we put in the stove and how we put it in the iron.
How we putting it in the island? He was saying we probably should have one that don't have a back on the back, like them, like these ones,
Like what?
like these. He said this would be easy to slide into.
Is that yours?
No, it's not.
But what ends? Why
This is the ones he showed me on the
Is that
TV.
yours?
Ooh, look at this kitchen. I can picture myself in here cooking it up. I wanted my sink in the island like this, but we're gonna do the stove. Okay, 'cause me cooking. Hello, baby.
Hey,
What's up?
shot.
How you feeling?
Great.
Good.
Plug them in and see if they work when we get there. Okay. Make sure they work. Compare it. That's a good deal for all that.
What's the other one?
Like a YouTube thing I was trying to go to on Wednesday, November 19th.
Dragon.
Yeah. Oh,